This video reviews the rules for subtracting integers. As our helpful little pink box tells us, subtraction is icky. So in general, when you're adding or subtracting integers, you really want to keep it to adding integers so you can just remember those rules. In order to do that, in some cases, when you have subtraction, you're going to need to switch it to addition. Here's how you do that. First, you keep the first number the same. Then, you change the subtraction sign to addition. Then you make the second number its opposite. And finally, you use the addition rules. In pre-algebra, we might have called this the change it rule. A better way to think about it is keep it, change it, opposite it, because it reminds you to leave that first number alone. Let's take a look at the first example. Number 1, 3 minus 7. First, we want to keep the first number the same. Done. 3 is we're going to leave it alone. Then we're going to change the subtraction sign to addition. That means taking this subtraction sign, changing it to addition. Then, let's go back to normal here. We're going to make the second number its opposite. So I'm going to take this 7 and make it into a negative 7. Now we can apply the addition rules. Let's review them real quick. I'll put them up here. Addition rules. If two integers have the same sign, you add them and you keep the sign. If they have different signs, like a positive and a negative or a negative and a positive, then we subtract and we keep the sign of the number with the bigger value. So looking at 3 plus negative 7, they are different signs. So I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. And I'm going to keep the sign of the number with the bigger value, in this case, the 7. And so my answer would be negative 4. 7 minus 3 is 4, keeping that negative number. Let's try it again with number 2. 5 minus 3. Step 1, keep the first number the same. Step 2, change the subtraction sign to addition. Step 3, make the second number its opposite. Step 4, use the addition rules. Same sign, I add, 5 plus 3 is 8, and I keep the sign, negative 8. Let's try it again. I'm going to start to go a little quicker because I'm hoping that you're starting to follow the pattern. Example number 3. 6 minus negative 3. We're going to keep it, change it, opposite it. Keep the 6 the same. Change that subtraction symbol into an addition symbol and make the second number the opposite. Keep it, change it, opposite it. I know this looks a little goofy, but now it says 6 plus positive 3. Well, that's very easy. 6 plus 3 is 9. We kept the 6, we changed the subtraction to addition, and we made that negative 3 into its opposite, which is positive 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. One more. Keep it, change it, opposite it. Keep the negative 10. Change the subtraction. Opposite that next number. Because it was negative 7, it is now positive 7. Negative 10 plus positive 7. We have two different signs following our addition rules. That tells us to subtract the numbers and keep the symbol of the bigger number. 10 minus 7 is 3. And I'm going to keep keep the symbol of the bigger number. In this case, it's the 10. So my answer is negative 3.